Greetings, our dear viewers. We are back with another video on our UMTA mock exam, Uganda Muslim Teachers Association UMTA. Remember, we are looking at item number 2. Under this item, the learner was required to design an online publication where they had to come up with a website that could have satisfied the item setter's interest. So on this one, this is your ICT facilitator, ICT educator, Mutebi Ratib, taking you through UMTA item 2. Today we are going to be designing our shop page. Remember, in our first videos, we looked at how we design the home page, we designed the About Us page, and today we are going to be looking at how can we design our shop page to look like this dummy that I've been able to put in this thumbnail. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and all the links to the other videos have been put in the video description. Please endeavor to go check in there, access the video for the home page, the video for the About Us page, the video for our shop, and the video for our Contact Us page. Today, let us move straight to the interest and see what we're supposed to do. So we are going to be looking at the detail. We are going to be looking at each and every single aspect to see that we can learn from one another. Remember, we are looking at UMTA. This page that we are going to design, it is a core page basing on the attributes that we are put into the item. Remember, we were required to design a simple platform. Looking at the question here, which I had re-edited here, they are telling us that I just want to pick a few things, but we had digested it in the first videos for the home page. But I want to touch the key aspects of the question briefly so that we can recap it chap. Thank you for watching. I can't take this for granted. May you be blessed forever. Can you be happy for all your entire time? Here we go. They're telling us that a new company was started in the Kanganda community with the aim of supplying farm tools and maximizing profits. In the first year of operation, listen, in the first year of operation, what happened? The company registered a few customers, and the top management suggested that there is need to advertise to reach out to more customers if they are to remain in the business. The company's managing director recommends that a platform to be created to advertise the products to both near and far. The platform should also enable interested customers to order. Look at these building blocks. To order and buy without physically coming to the company premises. Nice. Now, Mr. Lubachoya was excited about the good recommendations made by the managing director, and unfortunately, the company currently lacks an ICT personnel to help them implement the recommendations. Some information about the company is provided. Remember, we had digested this question in the first video. In the first video of designing the home page, even I went on to give you the marking points. What shouldn't you miss if you want to get an A in this paper? If I told you how to design an online publication, what are you supposed to do? So, without wasting time, what is our task? Mr. Lubachoya approached you for assistance. Create an online platform which can be used to implement the recommendations. Remember, we have designed a simple dummy which we are trying to follow. Our dummy that we are designed, it has the home page, the About Us page, our shop, and the Contact Us page. And today we are going to be looking at how can we design our shop page to look like this. Look at the beauty. Look at the structure of the support file. Look at the customization, the sizing, the naming, the art that has been put here. So when you look, we have a marquee, we have a navigation links, we have our products, we have some catching statements, we have nice colors, we have the footer, and each and every aspect. But the beauty of this page, which I'm going to be teaching you in this video, I've been able to put some 5 stars to identify our products. I have also been able to put the order button, that when someone clicks the order button, they take them straight to the Contact Us page to upload, to drop in their order on each and every every product. Now, to put that aside, let us structure. Remember, we had started our project, and I want to move straight to our working folder where we are working from, and then I'll access my our shop page here, and then we see. Remember, in the first video we only gave the skeleton, the structure, the way you see here, and now it's time to put content and get things done well. So now I'll move and start loading my application. Here we go. I'll right click. After right clicking, go to open with, and then open Microsoft Expression Web 4, so that we open this page and start structuring it here and there. Okay, now this is what we see. What are we supposed to do? Based on the plan, when you look at the plan that we are trying to follow, our shop page, we had a simple statement which said browse, search our products. So these are all creative points that the learner has to blend in their work if they are to get something out of it. So we said browse our products, and I gave a catching statement. We offer a wide range of farm tools to meet your daily farming needs. Simply select the tools you need, place an order online, and we will deliver them to your door. Okay, so when you look at such catching statements, you can't live without getting some good marks. So let us also start from there. I had drafted a simple Word file with some dummy content. Remember, I have put all this information in the video description. Please go access. I have put this Word file there. I've put for you the support files. I've put for you the links to the other videos for the home page, about us page, contact us page, our shop page, and everything. So I want to first take this. I'll come highlight, Control C. After Control C, I'll move here. I go back to my Expression Web 4, and then I Control V. When I Control V, my statement will be put here. And then I'll come, I want to align this center, highlight the bigger word, align it center. After aligning it center, what else can we do? A minute. Let me first break. I only want to take the heading, so let me Control E. After Control E, Control E is the keyboard shortcut for aligning center. Go to font size. I want to take around this. It is a bit small. Let me increase the size to around maybe XX large. And then I want to give font color ready, to make sure that we catch the item, we catch the evaluator's attention as they go through our site here. So let me break a bit. I want to also come and highlight Control Z a bit. I want to increase the size for these catching statements briefly. Again, let me highlight. I'm highlighting manually, and then I say under font size, let me take around 24. After putting it at 24, I will now continue. I will continue over here. Let me erase the spacing, and then I scroll and hit the enter button. Okay, now after reaching here, I'm done putting the statement. We offer a wide range of farm tools. I'm done putting it there. Let me see, what do we have on plan? We are saying that after putting the statement, we went on now to start inserting in our support material. But for simplicity, it's better you insert these images. There are very many apps that have been able to teach in the videos, but you can insert these images in a table. I will count and say, this table of mine has how many columns? 1, 2, 3. Those are 3 columns. How many rows? 1, 1, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have a table. I've composed a table of around 3 columns and 6 rows. 1, 2, up to 6. So I will come back to my Expression Web. Over here, I say table, insert table, and then I say how many rows? I need 6 rows. 6, 4, 5, 6. How many columns? 3 columns. After inserting the 3 columns, now what else are we supposed to put over there? I'm done putting that. So I'll now go and say, maybe let me check the alignment. I keep it at 80. After keeping it at 80, what else? Let me maybe check the cell padding and spacing to around 5 or 6. Cell spacing around 5 or 6. That is also very, very okay. Now I'll come back to my design and then I hit, oh, I want it to align center. Let me right click, table properties. Please pause and walk with me through. So come here, align center. So I have aligned my table center. I click OK. Yes, when I come back, we start. We have been able to compose a simple table, and then we are to starting in content here. Okay, you just feel like our energy is going through to see that the people learning. Remember, our slogan is each one teach one. Please, you the people watching, you the student watching, you my friend, please teach after learning. Teach someone, you will not forget. So now I will come into my first cell. I want to insert an image here. Okay, I will go straight here. I'll move straight and say I want to pick which image will catch up. Let me take this first image of a watering can. Come over here. Sorry, go back to your expression web. I want to insert it at this point. Control V. Then come and click OK. When I click OK, my can will be placed over there. Now after putting it here, I can change it a bit. Right click, go to picture properties. I want to go to appearance. After reaching here, I want to align it center. Do we have an option of putting it at the center point? Okay, it's fine. We shall check that. First come here where we have the measurements. We are to keep the measurements at exactly, for starters, let us maybe put at around 400. Yeah, I'm putting it at around 400, and then maybe let me say don't keep aspect ratio. I'm putting it at 400 width, and then the size here, let me keep it at 274 pixels. This is my width, this is my height, and then I'll click OK. Yes, when I click OK, it is over there. I'll go into another cell. This other cell still, I want to insert another image over there. So I'll come and say at this point, which tool can I take? Should I take this composite tumbler? Yes, Control C, come over here, and then Control V. Click OK. When you click OK, right click on it, go to picture properties. After picture properties, then I'll go to appearance, and then I'll go to set measurements, untick the aspect ratio, come over here. I want to keep it at 400. Uniform measurements, come over here. I also keep it at 274, and then I click OK. Yes, here we go. One more row. I'll move and then say okay, go back here. Support material. Come here. What are we taking? Yes. What will catch? Let me take this. Control C, and then come over here, and then Control V. When I Control V, click OK. When you click OK, come over here, right click, picture properties, and then go to appearance, and then come and say the measurements, untick aspect ratio. Come over here and say, here I'm going to take 400, and then under the units, I'm going to take around 274. I'm keeping the uniformity so that we have the same sizing of the images. Control S, save changes. After saving changes, let us go and check the web to see how does it look like so far. Remember, this is our product. So I will come, refresh. Yes, so when I refresh, I see some content coming. Okay, and the site is getting shape every single second. So thank you for watching, thank you for following to see that we can get there. Now, after inserting in my information, allow me still continue and see that we can get this done and dusted within a few seconds. So don't forget, this is your ICT facilitator behind or at the front of the interface, trying to make sure that things get done well. I appreciate you for the comments. Please kindly, for God's sake, I'm kindly asking, please subscribe, share, comment, teach people, let the ICT spread. We want A's, we want A's, we want A's this year. So now I'll put my cursor here, I go pick in my support material. I want to insert these images, we get them done, and we move on to the other element. What should I take? Okay, let me take a shovel here. Yes, which one? Okay, let me take this, tap on it, Ctrl C, come back to expression web, come here, Ctrl V, click OK. When you click OK, right click, picture properties, appearance, what else? Antique aspect ratio. Come here, say I want 400, 400. I'm keeping a uniform measurement, 400, and then I'll come to my height. I keep it at 274. Yes, I will click OK. My shovel is over there. I will continue. Which other? Come here, support material. What can we take? Should we take? I'm going to take maybe a gardening motor here. So Ctrl C to copy, come back, and Ctrl V, click OK. Right click on the picture, then picture properties, appearance, antique aspect ratio. Come here and we say this is 400, and then come over here. What's the measurement here? We want to keep it at 274. Yes, come and click OK. Look at the sizing. One more picture, go back, and then support material, click here. Just click and play. Things are not hard. Things are not really hard. So I'm going to take this pick motor. So it is where we are. I want to take something that is really blending to see that we can get some good marks. Ctrl C, come here, Ctrl V, Ctrl V, Ctrl V, Ctrl V, Ctrl V, click OK, and then right click. After right clicking, go to picture properties, go to appearance, come over here and tick, come over here and say 400. Then come here and I set my height to be what? Yes, 274. Let us keep it uniform so that we get the same size of the pictures. We get the same size of the pictures. Now after getting that, I'll come and click OK. After clicking OK, yes, it is taking shape and things are really on point. What else can we put? Yes, we have one more row that I want to use to put some pictures. I'll come over here. My pictures. What can I take? Let me take this image one. Ctrl C, come here, and then Ctrl V, click OK. After clicking OK, right click, picture properties, same size, go to appearance, antique aspect ratio, come here, we are taking a uniform size, 400, then here 274, and then click OK. One more, come over here, I want to take another tool, so I will go into my support material, come over here, Ctrl C, we take image 4, Ctrl C, come here, Ctrl V, click OK, right click, go to picture properties, go to appearance, antique aspect ratio, come to width, we want to keep the width at 400, and then we want to keep the height at 274, and then I'll click OK. One more tool that you want to insert. I'll go to my support material. Come over here. Which tool can we take? Okay, let us take tool 4. Ctrl C, come here, Ctrl V, click OK. Right click, go to picture properties, appearance, antique aspect ratio, keep uniform units, 400, come to height 274, and click OK. Now that's what we have so far. Let me Ctrl S, save changes, to see what is there. I want to refresh my page to see, are we really getting there? Refresh the page. When I refresh, see what I get. Yes, sir. So when I refresh, so far I have my images well inserted, the alignment is okay, but we need to put some salt on the meat to see that the site gets to the bit. We get the best out of it. So okay, so we are getting there, and every single element is taking shape. So now, after getting my products here, I'm done inserting in the images. But those who watched the video for the home page, where I had given the people following the marking points, what are the key marking points every time you are designing a website? We looked at this in the first video of designing a home page. So I'm done inserting in my images, but one of the marking point as a learner designs the website, they are informed, and you have to sensitize them about this, that please, inserting captions on pictures is paramount. Every image should have a short descriptive label, so that someone navigating through our website, they can really blend very well. Look at our sample. When you look onto my sample, every image has a simple caption. This is a watering can. I've put some currency. This is this and this. I've put some currency. So a caption is one of the marking point that I had explained in the first video of designing the home page. So now we shall also come over here and we do some blending. So I want to also put some labeling or captions on my pictures. I will say over here, this is watering what? Watering can. After putting a watering can here, I will come and say, how much are we selling it? Because we want people to be able to make orders. We want people to make orders onto our product of interest. So I will come over here. I say now I want to say UGX what? How much? Maybe we are selling this watering can at 30 Uganda shilling. So I'll drop in a comma, and then after that I want to come up with a catching site. Let me first Control A. Sorry, I want to only highlight this section so that I can increase the font for visibility. Is this enough? Yes, it is visible enough. So I will come over here. I highlight this main word, I bold it, and after bolding, I wanted to put a catching color so that I pick the item setter's interest. I will now also come under the figure here. I also bold it. I apply red as the font. After that, I will move on to this UGX. I also add something there. Let me bold, and after bolding for it, I will keep it in black. But remember, I had said that we need to make sure that on this application, people can really make orders. They come, check, look at the currency, look at the fee, and then drop in their order. So now, when you look onto our plan here, look at the plan. For me, on the plan, even I had moved on to put some stars. This watering can is a 5-star product. What and what? So I had put everything there. Why are we doing this extra? If we want to get marks, don't submit shabby work. So I will come here, and then I drop in some simple art. So now I will go back. I will open a simple word file. I want to open a simple word file. Yes, right click, option new, and then I'll say Microsoft Word. I open. I want to design something, and then I transfer into my site. Go here, click shapes. I want to take a star. Yes, I'm going to take this star here. Yeah. After composing it, I'll go to shape fill. I give it red. I go to shape outline. I say maybe red or no outline. Control C, come back, access your expression web, and then drop your stars around here. Control V, click OK, and then Control V, click OK. That is 2. Control V, click OK. 3. Control V, click OK. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want our products to be a 5-star product. Now, after putting that, again, checking back on the plan, I had put a button for order. When someone clicks on this button, they take them onto the order form, and then they are free to drop in their order. So now I'll come here. Still, I go back to my Word file that I've just created. I go to the Word file, I go to insert, I click shapes. I want to take a shape. Let me take this. Okay, I come, I drop it over here. This is my shape, and then I want to right click on it. I add text. I say order. After order, I want to go, I say maybe let me maintain this same color. I'm going to take the same color, and then I'll move here. I say no outline on this button. So now I'll go on to copy, Control C. I've copied this now image. I want to drop it here. Control V. Sorry, I wanted to first snip it. Let me go back to my Word file. Over here, I want to activate my snipping tool. I come back here. I say snip. I want now take it as an image. Get the snipping tool from the search area, come to option in new, and then snip out this shape the way we had composed it over here. Yes, I snip out, Control C to copy your snip, come over here, and then do what we call pasting. Control V. When I Control V, yes, here we go. Let me reduce on the sizing a bit. I want to reduce it a little bit so that it is not too busy. So yeah, okay, around there. Okay, it is too small. I want my word order to be visible enough. Okay, now after putting it there, I'm done structuring. So now I will tap on it, right click, say I want to hyperlink. Remember, we had created our contact us page, though we haven't been able to put in information. So now I'll go to hyperlink into my project. Here, where is my button? Yes, my button. I can even first do what we call, I can first browse to be sure that I'm into the folder of interest. Go to the desktop. When you reach desktop, our folder is called let me be sure. Let me first check over here. Let me cancel. I want to check so that we are sure that we are dealing with our main folder of interest. And this folder is, yes, Mutebra tip 008. Let me be sure. Yes. This is the folder of interest. So now I'll come back. I want to link this button. Come back here. I want to link this button. Right click, go to hyperlink. I want to browse to see that I'm in my folder of interest. Let me see. Is it 008? Yes, 008. Item 2. I want to connect to the contact us page, and then I click OK. And then after that, I'll click OK, and then we are good to go. After getting this done, now it is just a copy and paste in the other options. But Control S to save changes. So now I'll move here, copy everything here, Control C, come to this cell, Control V, come to this cell, Control V. Save time. Remember, you are working in very limited time. Control V, Control V to paste. One more, Control V, and then Control V. Control S. Then you start applying appropriate names on these products. So I'll come over here. I say, what is this? This is maybe, according to the image, it is a composite. Okay, Control Z. I want to maintain the yellow color, so let me first keep the W. I say maybe here this is a composite. This is a composite. A composite tabler. Yes, then I will continue to this. What is this? Learners should be well versed with the words if they are to get some good marks. Hand what? The hand teller here. and then after putting a hand teller, what else are we having? We have what else are we having here? Okay, when you check here, we are moving. This is maybe a shovel. Here we go, type in, erase this, and then we put the naming. Okay, then what do we have here? We have maybe a garden. This is a garden. This is a garden mattock. A garden mattock. Say, they are missing a C here. Then I want to erase the W. What about this? How do we call this? So I'll also come over here. I also give it a name. It is called a pick. Pick what? Remove the W. This is a pick mattock. Okay, we are getting there. What else? I'll move on to this. This is called a garden trowel. I'll come and also give it a name. This is a garden. I'm saving time. So come over here and say this is a garden trowel. Okay, we are getting there. Thank you for watching, everyone that is following up. This is your ICT facilitator, ICT tutor, ICT educator, who calls you to everyone should teach one, each one should teach one. This is a pang, and then what else are we having here? Maybe this other product is called a sickle. So I'll come and type in my sickle, and after naming, we are now left with putting different currency so that we get it done and dusted. So now after getting this, I want to put maybe this is maybe 10,000, and maybe this is also I'm erasing. This is maybe 32, and this is maybe 5. I'm trying, you can put your own values, but for me I'm keeping it at this because of the time. I want to keep the video as brief as possible. So now after putting that there, I will now still move on. This is maybe 2, and maybe this is also 4, and this is around maybe 5. Okay, around 5. Now after having composed all this, we can still now go on to erase some of these blanks. We have a lot of space. Put the cursor there, just keep tapping the backspace button over there. So now I'll Control S to save the changes. Now I will also go on to put a nice background color on my images. So you right click in space, go to page properties, go to formatting, you say background color, should we take this? I say okay. And I say okay, yeah, our background color has been well inserted. So I will Control S, save changes. After saving changes, I'll go now and check on my dummy product, which we are trying to come up with over here. So this is the page that we have. Let me refresh. When I refresh, we see that we have our background color well inserted. We see that each and every product has a caption, and it has some icons of maybe the 5-star. We have maybe an order button, which is a link. When you tap on it, they take us onto the order button, the order page. So though it is now blank and we are to design it in our next video, or the video is already there, please just follow the links that have been put in the video description. Everything has been put there for you. So our website is taking shape. Remember, we started from designing the home page where we had put some dummy material. We went on to the About Us page. We also designed something over there on the About Us page. We continue now to the Our Shop page, which is really stunning and amazing. I've been able to put an order button. Why? Because the question paper said that the candidates, or as people navigating through, look at this, the platform platform should also enable interested customers to order and buy without physically coming to the company premises, and all that has been put on this web page. So thank you for watching, everyone that is following. This is your ICT facilitator Mutebi Ratibu. Thank you. God bless you.